に来ました。どう How do you like it?
I love it. I love the weather.
It's so hot, right? 今、マウイブリューイングというお店に来てて、これは、パイナップルマナーっていうウィートビールで、What did you get?
Just an IPA.
Just an IPA. Nothing Hawaiian flavor?
I think it's hazy IPA.
This is the fish taco and this is the nachos. Did you like it? That's okay. The beer is good, but the food was just okay, right?
Food was pretty good.
Okay, got it. So where are we going? We're gonna go to Waikiki Beach, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So let's get going. So we are here at the Alamona Shopping Center? Alamona World Center. And then we got the coffee from Island Vintage Coffee. We actually didn't do any research for a good coffee in Hawaii. And then we just went to a chain store, I think. This is a chain store, right? Yeah, the Island Vintage Coffee. And I ordered just a drip coffee and he ordered an island latte. And this tastes like hot water.
You never know.
Yeah, I never know.
It might be
I mean,
just
it might be
dispatch.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dispatch?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I think this is a norm. ちょっとハワイのコーヒー美味しいところあったら教えてください。今日は今からノーショアに行きますね。
はい。
はい。で、ノーショアでランチを食べて、we really enjoy watch people surfing. So we just gonna go to the nose and yeah, we're gonna sit down and just watch them surf. I think it's gonna be fun. So yeah, it's an active day. I think it's gonna be really fun. Alright, let's go! Hi! Could I get a curry butter shrimp? One number one? Yeah, one number one and also soda here.
So one garlic, one drink for here.
Yeah, for to go.
You want a paper bag?
Yeah, sure.
I call you 91, okay?
91. Okay, thank you very much. さあ、今からランチを食べます。We're gonna have lunch at the beach. I got a garlic shrimp and my husband got a poke bowl, right? 楽しみです。Oh, it's kind of windy, so watch out, okay? This is the garlic shrimp that I got. Wow, excited. And this is the poke bowl that my husband got. スショアのウォルコムハウスの前のビーチに来てます。すごい波が大きいかなと思って。あ、でもすごいね。雨が降ってきたね。帰ります。すごかったね。雨だね。晴れてるのに雨だね。
Onion raw. Be very careful, it's very hot, as you can see.
Oat milk latte. Good. That's good, right? I approve. So I got a pour over. This is the Kona coffee, Kona 100% coffee. Let's try that. It's a little bit watery. Yeah, definitely, everyone definitely do espresso one. Snorkeling をします。This is the snorkeling gear, and this is the shoe for snorkeling. And we are here at the Electro Beach in Hawaii. And there are so many people snorkeling, scuba diving, and seems like there are so many fish. My husband just went there and just check it out. So let's see. Hello, so we are at the Alamore Beach Park and we're gonna watch a sunset. And actually this is Christmas 25th of December and none of the restaurants or none of the stores are open today. So we decided to come here and just watch the sunset.